How's every... Okay, took my glasses off like an absolute chopstick. Literally a big fat thumbprint right there. Obviously it was me, no one else touches my glasses, but still. I see it has just been shopping since London, so that's amazing. Do we think it's just gonna continue chopping? I hope not. But we can't go off of hopes and dreams, can we? If only. If hopes and dreams were real, oh, I would be living the life. Anyways, let's... I don't want to wear that one. I want to wear this one. Let's wear the pink one today. Pink one to kind of, in a way, go with the shirt. Let's do this. Okay, let's go. So I'm half organized, which is better than normal. At least there's half. Half of me. The other half is still, I don't even know, missing. Half and half, but that's okay. Let's, hi, Sweetie Pie. And we have a Perry Bean that's here to say what up. Okay, so now, done. I can see. Hey yo. Oh, it's getting so much worse. Okay. What the? Oh, love it, Jabba. David, how are you doing? But why are you awake? Are you good? What's up? What you doing? Okie dokie, let's now go through. Okay, so it's still below midnight, so I do still believe that this might be ever so slightly bullish. Let's see. To be determined. Sorry, to be determined is my new thing. You guys didn't have to deal with that for like a week. No, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That really sucks. Not being able to sleep properly is like my nemesis. I'm so over not being able to sleep properly, but it is what it is. I see long when market open. Damn, Dom, me and you are starting to get really good at this thing. Okay? I also agree with longs. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm agreeing with some bulls. Some bulls might be coming to the party. Maybe, maybe not, but anyone that's just hopped on, let's get this party started. Good morning, or good afternoon, depending where you're at, but I'm going to assume majority is morning, so here we go.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hope everyone is amazing. Okay, I hope everyone is doing amazing. Hope if you did trade this, that it was whoop whoops and not womp womps. I had womp womps. Well, one. I shouldn't have traded. It was my bad. Lesson relearned. Was a lesson I knew, but yeah. I will just blame Monday Madness for getting the best of me with that one, but that's okay. That's okay. It is what it is. Let's do this thing, chicken wings. So, let's mark out. I've marked out the Asia high, Asia low. I've not marked out. Did I mark out Asia low? I did not. I did. I did not need to. Look at me go. London low is literally on relative equal lows as well, so that's going to be juicy. I'm gonna mark them both out. I'm gonna mark the relative equal lows just slightly below. Because this is quite a nice level. Yeah. Done. Sorted. Already marked open. Already marked out midnight. London open is here. Actually add something to my notes that I must double check. Price respect. Yeah. Oh, so many things to go and test. Oh, what a headache. But we continue. We continue because we are surviving. Above last high. Hey, Bartek, what's up? How you doing? My order is above the bob level, above the last high. Nice. I sent you the picture in Discord. I'll go check it out now. So you're expecting it to go up, 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 and then continue to where? Asia high? Dom? Where's your TP going to be at? So entry here at, well, but then where's the TP at? Asia high? It's not a bad shout. Let's go through our top to bottom analysis quick stick. So let's start with the daily again. Daily had so many gaps. Yep. I think we're coming to just fill in these gaps. Would be. 689. Seven, 6, 4. Let's start with 689 as a point of interest. Then let's check the 4 hour. How's the 4 hour looking? Back into VWAP, a little bit of a rejection, but still has not come to mitigate this volume imbalance. Where's this at? Huh. Okay. 821. Then let's check the 1 hour quickly. Bartek, awesome. Did you place the order through TradingView? Hey Lucas, what's up? How you doing? Did I place the order through TradingView? Well, I'm trading on TradingView, so yes, everything will be through TradingView. Hey Monster Tycoon, what's up? Bitcoin will increase. You think Bitcoin will... Bitcoin will increase? Good grief. English no longer Englishing. What are words? Okay, yeah, Asia high is what I was looking at earlier during the 4 hour as well. Okay, a decent point of interest would be up here. Let's see, big rejection. Well, I say big rejection. There was a rejection off of VWAP on the 1 hour. Let's see if we continue to get that, or if we are now just going to go up, up, and away. Potentially up, up, and away, but let's see. Okay, let's see if Asia high is the draw. We have 5 minutes until New York open. Let's see if this is about to go absolutely crazy up in here. I can kind of believe that it will go crazy up in here, but let's see. Oh, tap back into this point of interest. If I kept following this up, interesting. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's go. Sorry, just busy doing top to bottom analysis. Is it Mrs. Mass 110? Hoping to learn something about trading. Let's see if you make any actual trades or not. Mrs. Mass, just giving you an FYI. I am still new to trading, so let's see. I did take a trade earlier today. It was not great. I have not even been trading for a year yet. So if you're here to learn basics, I got you. If you're here for overcomplicated stuff, move along. Sweet and simply. Look at Discord. Hey Rolf, actually no, I'm anticipating for it to hop a little bit further up and then possibly a dump. Hey Jody! It's okay, I made a very noob mistake this morning. Like, I'm hitting myself in the head a little bit for it. But it is what it is. But let's see, what are you thinking for today, Jody? I'm still a little bit keen on it going slightly higher up. Could just dump down. Let's see. But how are you doing, Jordy? How's your... I nearly said father-in-law. How's your girlfriend's dad? How's he doing? Okay. 5-minute. How do you feel about this price action? Blech. That's how I feel about everything right now. Blech. Okay, 3 minutes to go. Let's do this thing. Let's put everything back on. Aw, thank you. I appreciate that. I did say no, 100%. Do you know what's funny? I thought that, and then I didn't even see that message that you sent. And then I went onto Discord and saw that, and I was like, damn it. How did you know? How did you know that I would do that? He's good. Everyone's good. I just need things to work out now. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. Jody, you're spitting facts right now. If life could stop, like, beating me up, pretending I'm a piñata, that would be amazing. I'm not a piñata. Okay, candy's not gonna come out of me. Trip up level 2 minutes left. Hold on to your seats. Let's see, guys. I am super curious. Okay, 2 minutes to go. I am watching. Obviously, you know me. I do not enter in on, well, at open. Respect for those that do, and respect that get profit from it, because holy cow, the volatility is scary. Anyways, hold on to your seats. Wait. Okay. Moving on. I'm letting it cook for the first 30 minutes. Is there news today? Before I get overly excited and I do something ooper duper dumb, is there news or are we good? Am I safe? Yeah, I'm never safe, but you know. Let's see how it reacts. It was a good rejection for this level here. I'm still looking for bulls. I know that's against what a lot of people are looking for right now, though, so let's see. So hey, Sally, how you doing? Did you get any trades? Were you sitting on your hands? How was the rest of London? Okay, I'm quickly seeing what Dom sent. Oh, damn, Dom. Okay. That's a hectic PP level. Interesting. Let's see if it goes all the way up there. Sorry, I just checked what Dom sent on Discord. Is this it? This is it. Okay. 9:30. Let's go. Wait.
Okay, let's go.
Boom. Nailed it. Nobody judge me. This is my coffee from this morning, so it's now like iced coffee, but you know what? Coffee's coffee. That's what I'm going with. Coffee's coffee, and I need something to keep my hands occupied, so here we are. Stops me doing silly goose things. We don't need to be silly geese here. We want to be lucky ducks. Hey, yo, Hammer. How's it going? How you doing? You done trading today, hey? Or are you going to take some trades during New York? 9:30 and done. Okay. We've seen it do crazier. This is not a bad start. Okay, let's draw the 9:30. Excuse me. Thank you. Let's do 9:30 range. Okay. Gotta take out the highs. Whoa. Okay. Again, if anyone's just hopped on, hope y'all are doing amazing.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Damn, I did. Oh, did I get the wrong? Oh, it might be. I don't know why I thought it was higher up. Okay, so you took it. I thought you meant these highs, so you took it about this high. Noted. I don't know. I thought you were taking it this high. Sorry, Dom. Whoop whoop, Dom. Damn, yeah, super quick profit. Whoop whoop, indeed. Holy guacamole. Let's see if this is gonna be the first presented already. Okay, this high has now been taken. Very, very good. Basically went straight into midnight open and tapped off of that. Holy guacamole. Bob to bob. Ciao. Instantaneous. 6. No, still have 20 seconds left. This looks like first presented is gonna be here. Whoa. You know what? Thank heavens we actually just have movement. Let's be positive. There's movement. Whereas earlier today there was no movement, so let's do this. First presented. Cool. Hello. And we have a little periwinkle. What's up, bud? What's all that movement back there? Where? Oh, you listening to the chaos going on? That was just the neighbor saying hi to Barry. Data, nice. Do you think it can even catch that fair value gap? Lucas, what do you mean? Do you think it can come back into the first presented? Is that what you are asking? I mean, it's possible. Oh, well, look who it is. It's a Bobbert. What's up, Bobbert? No, I'm kidding. What's up, Bob? How you doing? The NQ straight up just gonna keep going up to the N1 without giving me an entry. You know, I was thinking the same thing. I was like, what do you want? Oh my gosh, I wish I could show you what he was doing right now. He's just chilling with his chin on the desk. Oh, this is what you want. Okay, I see. Seeming as this price is running away from me, I might as well entertain you with sweeties for being adorable. You know, I wish that's how life worked. I wish I could get sweeties just for being cute. But that sounds weird. Maybe I should not say that. Whoop whoop for wizard. Whoop whoop. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Brooke, you're right actually. I need to start asking him what he thinks it's gonna be. Guys, what do you think would be a way to ask Perry what he thinks it'll be like? Whoop whoop, this is for Dom with what a banger of a trade. Well done, Dom. Seriously, well done. Up to Asia High. Okay, I did call Asia High. I will give myself that little bit of a pat. Just a little one, because obviously, I mean, I didn't get an entry, but still. 450 email on the 1 minute for an entry long, currently around 660 level. What's the heron track on your arm? Bob, I don't know if you saw I had a plaster on my arm. Not last week, the weekend before. Why just don't go out with young, intoxicated human beings. They're very stupid anyways. They burnt me with a lighter. So yeah, that's what that is. So I'm just going to keep saying it's a horseshoe because it kind of looks like a horseshoe. But yeah, it's a lighter burn. Sure, do you think this is going to hit Asia High and then pop back down? At least I called the bulls at open. That's something. That's something. That's something. Gotta take the little wins. Except, hello. Oh, but you've had sweeties. Okay. How do I ask Perry what do you think this is gonna do? And that won't work. I'm trying to think about boop ahead. Which hand? This is bulls. This is bears. Not too focused on. I don't know what you. What are you focused on? That's my coffee mug. He's being very cute. I'm Brazilian and I don't understand how much what you're saying, but if you could just answer yes or no, I'd appreciate it. Shh. Lucas, to your question, I'm assuming. Oh, do you think he'll go back to that fair value gap? Yes. Not right now, but yes. Okay, let's rephrase. I freaking hope so. This is just running away without me. OTT, where was your point of interest? Has it just ran away and you can't get an entry either? Oh boy. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. This is still just a trader figuring out things. You know, life happens. Okay, bye. My point of interest was Asia High. OTT, was your point of interest Asia High as well? You're welcome. Again, it's not financial advice, it's just what I suspect. I could be very wrong. I really, really could be wrong. Man, you didn't trading so easy. I just pressed buy 3 times on my paper. Made 2k riding that wave up. Oh, if only. Solly, if only we could just do that. What a banger. Bob, whoop whoop! Did you take it level to level? Hello, sweetie. Then this is for Bob. Oh. I got all excited for you, so you didn't take it? Okay. So whoop whoop. For anyone that had a winning trade. Just yep. If it comes back down into first presented, there's VWAP, there's everything chin-chilling down here. It could be quite nice. If being the key word to this right now. Oh my gosh, this is the damn 5-minute candle. For crying out loud. The 5-minute candle is 245 points. Awesome. Just awesome. I took my level to level trade early last night. Okay, damn, okay. Watch for the reversal pattern and whoop was for my degenerate paper trade. That's it. Not really, no. Let's see though. One step at a time. Starting off strong mentality-wise, yes. So I'll take the wins wherever I can be, or wherever I can, and apparently that's just with the whoop whoops in with regards to the brain cells. Sorry, I've gone quiet because this still looks valid on the 15-minute. Sorry, ignore all the chaos that's up there. But retracing back into the 50% here. Got my shelf, got VWAP. To see how this looks. Don't even know if I would be able to place a trade here. Let's see. Back into the level. Oh, this is such a big trade. Okay, let's see. I could take this for one contract. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's how big this is. I could take this for one contract. Oh, thanks, Brandon. I appreciate that. How about you, Brandon? Have you got any trades going? Yes, no, maybe. How's it been going? Are you ready for this? Entered on the 925. Oh, PM candle. I was like, what? 9:25 PM. That took me a minute. I was very confused there. I'm gonna chart short down to the next level. I have 2 open trades, but I hold for long term. Oh right, I forgot. So you hold for weeks. What do you have going right now? Shorts or longs? AJ, JV Joe, this is micros NQ. So yes. 3 open trades. Damn. On what, Brandon? Yep, futures. NQ futures. The symbol signal. The symbol is MNQ. M for Mari biscuit. I don't know the correct thing, so I'm just gonna go M for Mari biscuit. N for naughty Nelly. Q for quack quack. That's not it at all. Wow, butchered that. Anyways. Nothing. Bob's gonna smack me. Did I arrive at the 9:30 AM opening? Lucas? What do you mean, did I arrive? I'm short on NAS. I'll send you all my open positions. Okay, cool. Go. I'm curious. Consider me intrigued. Bob, I was dumb. I made a rookie mistake this morning. I made such a silly mistake this morning. If I follow your trades, would I be successful? Over time, I would like to think so. But obviously, you know, have your own strategy that works for you. Davy Joe, am I in a trade? Nope, not in a trade currently. Would have preferred it to come retest back down into the 50% of this big range, but I am not convinced it's going to do it. An SMT looks like... No, maybe not. But I said, it looks like it might create an SMT on ES. Hey! Temporal, what's up? How you doing? Those buys, did you get in on it? Up and away. Yeah, I'm... Okay, SMT has now been created on ES. Oh no, that's okay. Which is the best strategy? The best strategy is whatever makes sense to you. There's no such thing as the best or the worst strategy. It's only if it makes sense to you, if you know how to execute it, and if you know how to execute it correctly with the correct risk management. This is for Bob.
Nice.
Am I working? No, I'm funded, JV Joe. I'm on my funded account. More to come from what I'm seeing here. More buys. I want to say yes, but let's see. Like I said, I would be keen. This is the trade I'm keen on. Is it going to get there though? Let's see. This might be cooking up to fill that gap. Yep. Book says we'll take out buy side liquidity and reverse back down. I know, I've been waiting for it to hit Asia high. If it had come back down before Asia high, I would be more keen for this, but I don't think it's gonna do that. Do you know what I actually have to start doing and stop being an absolute chopstick with this? I need to start marking out the Asia high and thinking my blippies over here on ES as well. Here's Asia high, so actually Asia high and relative equal highs are at the same point here. That's pretty cool. On ES, those are now marked, so okay, they're pretty same. I think when it takes out Asia high on ES, it should take out Asia high on NQ. Brandon. Oh, your positions, got it. I'll have a look now. Just your take on the market right now. Well, I think everyone's been expecting some crazy business with all the craziness that's going on in the world currently. Understandably so, but yeah, just yeah. Just make $1 million, come on, how hard? Obviously, right? Just do it. What's wrong with you? Just be better. Just be better. Antonio, how you doing? Boy gap close. It looks like it. Here we go. Yeah. Ooh, good rejection off here. Check out this wick. About to take out Asia high on ES. Let's see. Like I said, I think it's going to take out Asia high on both ES and NQ at around the same time. So let's see how it responds to it. Wow. It's like a tick away. Okay. David, you're only one funded. Yes, I haven't even been trading for a year. Everyone just click buy and close laptop. Impulse, since last week your balance hasn't moved. That's not true. It's gone down. I'm doing well, can't complain. How are you doing? Antonio, I'm good. There's always a trick involved too, 100%. And Asia high about to be taken. Oh, okay. Asia high has officially been taken on ES. It's still not come back down to mitigate. This might just be a reversal. Might just be a gap fill in reversal. Asia high has officially been taken out on ES though. Again, SMC has been created. Let's see what happens here.
Heyo DJ, what's up?
I'm for buyers. Even if it takes out Asia high. I guess it did take out Asia low. Oh. Sure, this thing has just been running away. Nothing good here. It looks like it's moving to the next bob level. Yep. So I even said checky at this rejection off of here, Bob. I did a little bit. I need to actually do more. I'll do more tomorrow morning again. I did a little bit of back testing. I found... I want to say two things, but I'm focusing on one thing that was very interesting with regards to my particular strategy, but now I want to focus a little bit on the bob levels tomorrow morning and see. Hey Yad, what's up? Lies, I promise you, what I noticed with my strategy, which I didn't see anything super like, yay, happening earlier. With my strategy, okay, it doesn't help with the chop. I was only looking at the 1 minute though, but on the 1 minute, if there is a blue doji, so okay, a bullish doji followed by a bullish engulfing candle, those are the ones for bulls. I couldn't find an equivalent for sells. It didn't work out with a bearish doji, bearish engulfing candle, as well as it worked with bullish doji, bullish engulfing candle. Those tend to be respected like a damn charm. None really presented themselves nicely here for me to actually have a look and see and forward test today. But I did find that out while I was doing some back testing. I was like, wow, it tends to respect that better than anything. Like A plus or not, just that bullish doji, bullish engulfing candle, that tends to be the one that you want to try and get that reverse up into. What instrument is this? Nasdaq futures. And am I in any trades right now? No. Should retrace down below high low into the valley gap and probably retest the order block. On the higher time frame, right? So my shelf, quote unquote shelf. This is what I'm keen on for this entry, but is it gonna do it? It just took out Asia lows. It just missed Asia high here. This is huge. This is quite a big trade. Okay. Might be a temporary from the PMI. Interesting. It's about the hammer points. Good spotting. Thank you. So the doji has to be bullish. It doesn't have to be, but it tends to work better, which I thought was weird. I actually kind of thought that, you know, technically an opposite color doji and then an engulfing was the better one. But I can maybe try find it. I actually found that if it was a bull, it actually worked better, which I know kind of goes against a lot of what people say. Technically, you want to see the opposite color and then the reversal. Those tend to be the better dojis or order blocks or whatever you want to call it. But I actually saw that if it was a bull, it worked better, which was weird. I wasn't expecting to see that, but I checked it on a few, let's say 20 different trades, and they worked like chef's kiss. Might take a short chip, but we got 10 a.m. news. That trade setup looking good. I know. I'm gonna fix the party tricks. That's as good as a cup of coffee and a donut. Oh, pop quotes. Bob quotes, Bob quotes, Bob quotes. We love them Bob quotes. Do 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 do. Anyways, oh my goodness, you scared me. Right, because we also then retested the 5 minute, which is over here. I haven't actually marked out the 5 minute, but retested 5 minutes. Retested back into the 15. I really like this, but if there is news in 5 minutes, do I potentially risk having this limit? I would buy now. I still want to see it come back into this. I mean, check the first present. All of this lines up so nicely. Is that caffeine or speed that has you wired? What do you mean? It's probably caffeine. What do you mean speed? Is that like a baddie no thing? No? Like when I hear speed, I just assume like market speed, but I'm assuming that's not what you meant, was it? I ain't doing anything yet until a couple of minutes. Hey, Debbie. Okay, so there is PMI. Okay, don't be dumb, don't be dumb, don't be dumb, don't be dumb. Wait until after the news. Don't be dumb, don't be dumb, don't be dumb. Wait until news. Can I help you, sir? Huh? Can I help you, kind sir? Resting his head on my chair. Don't be dumb, you know news can be unpredictable. Wait. Party tricks. Temporal? Which party tricks? Ticks. Well, party tricks. That kind of works. Oh! No! What is wrong with you, Bob? I am a good human being. No, I'm kidding. I'm good. How about no, Mikawabe, that was crazy. Did you get in on it? Hey, DJ, at this point you might want to move to a place like South Africa. Are you sure about that? Think about your choices carefully. That's all I'm gonna say. Think carefully. Although, again, you know, if you had to... Okay. No, you just want sweeties. You're not here for love. Guys likes to make it look like something it's not. Like they'll just go South Africa has its own charm. No, it does. It does. It definitely does. But, you know, maybe if you get that. Think, live your best life. No, 100%. Don't Bri. Come on, guys, to be fair, I'm gonna get like shunned for this. I have not had a Bri in a really long time. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be in so much trouble for that, but yeah, it has been a minute. Away from all I've had dreams through the end of 2024. Oh no, I'm so sorry, DJ. Wait, let's see. What's the time looking like? 1 minute to go. Okay, 1 minute to go. Let's see what we got. This kind of just looks like a bull flag. Fishing foil over an open fire. There we go. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
I did all of that for nothing. All of that for nothing. What was I getting so excited about? I thought there would be something decent. Come on, 10 a.m. Don't do me dirty like that. Or just do me dirty like that, it's fine. Can I help you, sir? No more sweeties. You've had so many sweeties. You even stole some of my horse's cookies. Which is rude. Damn, DJ. Okay, can you have a dream about my trading journey and tell me where it goes? Because apparently you got some skill there. Holy guacamole. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see. See if there's a hammer. No. Okay, well, this one still feels valid. When it is, let's do a buy limit. Start rushing down. I mean, this is really juicy. If it gets there. Okay. Still got Asia high up here. Bob level first presented. 9:30. I don't... If it comes back into here, this could be such a good trade. If it doesn't work out, then it's just unlucks, but... Well... That wasn't very nice, now was it? Okay. It's 10 p.m. where I'm. Damn, Pillow, where you at? It's 10 p.m. there. No thanks. I must say, South Africa does have the best time to trade. Hands down. Best time for trading. Both London and New York are like peak times. It's awesome. Hey, TJ Trades, what's up? This is Chop. Hey, pretty and green. I mean, it was a decent push, but this is now Chop, yes. Which kind of sucks. I know, Alex, I know. To be fair, it's because I'm dumb. The trade I took this morning was dumb. So that one is on me. I feel like some of the others... no, but the one I took this morning was 100% my fault. I'm taking responsibility for that. I'm not trying to make excuses. I was a complete idiot with the trade I took this morning. So that one is on me. That was the party trick. You and I might need to have a call soon about trading. Okay, let's do it. I'm keen, Bob. Let's do it. Goodbye, day trading. I have an interview. Oh, 81. That's amazing. Is it for a job you want though? Let's maybe ask the proper questions here. Is it for a job that you are super keen on? So how many trades per day? TJ, depends on the day. I do have... okay. Took out Asia highs, took out my nice point of interest. Anyways, so let's start with this. How many trades per day? Depends on the day. I've had days where there's been no trades. I've had days where I could place 4 or 5 trades. So seriously, depends on the day. It depends on the price action. That was the first one. What's the second one? Risk percent per trade. I risk $200 on a 50k count. So, yeah. What is my RR? 1 to 2R. First TP hit I entered after the news long runner going for Asia high. Whoop whoop, Dolly Dan. What you got? Wait, on paper or real? When it's my turn to become an adult. You know, I'm still waiting for when it's my turn to become an adult. People keep thinking that I should be one by now, and I'm just like, nah, it's okay. It's okay. That sounds like future Maya's problem. Okay, well, whoop whoop to anyone that had a win. Yeah. Thanks for the reply. How old am I? Dun dun dun. How old do I look? Drum roll. It feels allergic to the 24900. I like that. I like that a lot. I wonder what the volume profile looks like here. All the way back up here. Yeah, this is chop. I can't take this. This is just getting bigger and bigger. Okay. It's still frustrating. I still kind of like this trade. I just, it's not gonna happen, and I know it's not gonna happen. Well, that's being negative. It could still happen, but it's gonna have to drop quite a distance to get down there, and it's gonna have to move quite a distance back up. It's past 10. It is, Hammer. It didn't... Yes, on TH. A 5-minute engulfing is also a good setup. Ah, I mean, there we go. You want me to look after other people? I can't even look after myself. No, exactly. Temporal, I'm good. I struggle to keep myself alive. Let's not add more to the game. 5-minute engulfing is also a good setup. You can't break even as a loss for the amount of time you can lose on a day. Brandon? No, not really. Because break even isn't really a loss. Especially, I tried, didn't manage the last few times. I try and move break even to the point where you might still get a little bit of green. A little bit. It did not work the past freaking bob level anyways. 26 maybe, just guessing. Very close, TJ. Very close. I'm 27. Auntie again. Most time. What? Is bugging out for you? What's it doing, Bob? What did it do? No ways. Trading view is bugging out. It wiped all your... What? That's not okay. Breakout traders are expecting a long push, but I don't know. What did Bob do now? Up a better way. Bob doesn't do anything wrong. Bob is perfect, but what about using Ninja Trader? Bob, have you had a look at Ninja Trader? Bob to Bob. The problem is, if it has to come back down to my entry, it literally has to go so far now. Nothing here is a good setup because this is kind of choppy, too many wicks, not enough volume. Not what I want from a setup. This is fun. This is really fun. What? Oh, that's not what? Your screen is very small. Is there a way you can show the charts any bigger? I'm assuming you are on the vertical. If you go into my channel, you will see there's 2 live streams running, a horizontal and a vertical. The horizontal, you'll be able to see it bigger. There you go. Pop onto my channel, then you'll see that there is both horizontal and vertical. You can go check out the horizontal. There will be, well, you'll see more, right? Do 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 do. Ooh, there's equal highs in New York high. There's equal highs in London high. Damn, there's a lot of buy-side liquidity up and away up there. Okie dokie. This actually looks good on ES. That level there looks good on ES. Let's see. So I've just kind of made myself comfy waiting for price action to start moving with some action. It's in the name. If we can start doing that, that would be great. Yeah, this is just running away. I don't even think I'll be able to take this with 1 contract now. Without risking too much. Oh, sorry, Brandon. Yeah, no, there's 2 running at the same time all the time. So yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, you can check out if you prefer one or the other. It depends. If you don't want to see me, if you want to just shun me off to the corner, horizontal's the way to go. If you want more Maya madness, apparently vertical's the way to go. And this is pretty much madness because I have way too much energy. Oh, thanks for the sub. On your ES chart, put a level from 685 to 6870. 6855. Right, 6855. On the dot. Okay. Solly, wait, what? I like to get in at the start of the move. Okay, Temporal, what's your... Okay, that's the move. What's your confirmation that that is the move? Or do you just, you have a bias and you have a stop, or what? Yeah, what's your strategy, basically? Asking out of curiosity. I've been doing this wrong. Doing what wrong? Why is it when we sit and trade the pets? Honestly, Harry was here being all adorable and I was like, not now, buddy. Come on. Yes, with it just running away. This now looks better. Okay, let's see what this now looks like. On NQ, apart from it just running away without me. Cannot get in anywhere right now. You see that upward move? They come back to that 50% range at any point. Yeah? Temporal? Okay, so most people won't talk about this, but as long as there's a range that has a buffer of 50% over. Okay. Yeah. Temporal, you have me intrigued. You have me intrigued. I'm gonna message you on Discord. You can color me intrigued right now. I do not have you yet. I will send you a message. The horizontal has you smushed in the corner. That sounds like the type of layout. Is it muted as well? Solly, you can just mute me, okay? Okay, at this point, just mute me. Oh, the South African nearly came out there. Okay, so on here, so if I join that 50% range, let's see. Doji up. I actually don't like this range. Ugh, maybe it looks nice on the 5-minute. Let's see. Not really. It's okay, I guess. Wouldn't quite call this a nice setup. No, if I enter this, that's literally just FOMO wanting to kick in. It's not a good trade. It's not an A+ setup. It's still choppy. There's not enough momentum in either direction. So leave it the heck alone. Okay. Interesting. Let's see how this goes. So, Tempo, remember the question you asked earlier about the time? Okay. I'm done for the day. Gonna cook lamb stew now. Oh, okay. I didn't want to know the fresh off the farm part, but it sounds good. Where I scalp nice below. Okay, the question is which time frame is the right 50%? Yes. Yeah, basically temporal. Okay, wait, so the question is which time frame is the right 50%, but then shouldn't you try and make it that it lines up on all the time frames? Is that what you're basically saying? Options 7401, am I live on YouTube every day? Yes, well, Monday to Friday. I'm not live on the weekends, but yes, Monday to Friday I'm here. Huh. Okay. If I'd taken this trade on ES, it would have been a partial break even. Interesting. Oh, I have to remind myself to not do it. I'm always so keen on just swapping over to ES. ES just seems to just work out so much better sometimes. Sometimes, not all the time. I do love this diva though. This little Nasdaq diva. Solly comes with edge.
Emotional damage.
Rude. Anyways. Solly, seriously, what did I do to ever hurt you? What did I do to ever hurt you? Anyways, back to trading. Do the one below, attention zone 2500. No ways, Dom, you think it's gonna go up to 2500? I'm sorry! I'm sorry! He was sleeping on my foot and I moved my foot. Disgusting. Because all time frames continuously run, right? Yep. Up 10k on if I dip the markets and deal the deals. Just energy stocks by the lows of what fell. Made to trade 20 with it. Before I go, I trade the 50% like a religion. The 50% works based on smaller time frames, max 50-minute candles for me. The bigger you go, the more it fails. That is wild. That is interesting, Hammer. Okay. So, oopsies. Max 50. So, Hammer, do you even bother looking at the daily and stuff, or do you look at the daily and stuff for your bias? Making things too complicated. 50k in a week. Don't think too much. Use support levels and buy the lows. Made to trade. What? My thing is so simple. My thing is market auction theory. I don't see exactly where do you have price now. Oh, sorry. So price went up. Oh, well, price right now is at 24917. Say 917. Stuck on Bob level, didn't reject enough off of there. Want to see more of a rejection if it's going to go down. I do not like this. Even on the 5 minutes, I'll leave it the heck alone. That full range is insane. Anyways. That's interesting. Okay. There's definitely is logic to 50%. Nope, I cut the market into sections. Only look at my next 50 zone, and if we pass that next setup. But I do mark volume levels like I sent you on TradingView. Okay, Hammer, you can color me intrigued. This sounds very interesting. You were so itchy. Stop it. Ah! It's so irritating when things are healing and it's a pain in the butt. Anyways, moving on. That was a good wick. This should be bob to bob. See how this goes. Like I said, didn't take it on the 5 minute because it was not nice. Okay. This is all Really? You think it's gonna go to the sell side low? Interesting. I'm in a short, just took TP1. Hey! OTT, that's amazing! Oh, for your bots. Okay, got it. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop for OTT. To be fair, shoot, it's gonna run away without me to the sell side. Yep. It just hit the 50% on ES. I'm glad I saw that. Check on ES. Okay, well, should move this up a tiny bit, but just hit that 50% on ES. Okie dokie. OTT, did you get out break even? Any more on trading view? You go through it when you backtest. I feel free to ask questions. I'll polite. Hammer, you're amazing. You are the goat. That's for you. So Dom, you said we go up. Yep. Clearly, wait. Let's see what happens there. Oh wait, I forgot to. I didn't make the one below. Two. 25. Okay. Sorry, just had to update the levels there. Don't mind me. Sorry, I went a little bit quiet. No. Said I didn't like the 5-minute, leave it alone. Didn't like this, leave it alone. Well, I didn't hate that, but it wasn't an A+ setup. Back into Bob level. I really thought this would reject properly. Maybe not. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Zone 141 green line TP filled the gap solidly. Well, didn't quite fill it to completion. That sounds weird. The gap is filled at 2.4, like 950-ish level. It just missed it. Just missed it. Have I been able to withdraw any payouts? Or no. As it... I'm gonna call you Fur. I hope that's okay. I've only had this funded for... shoot, going on 3 weeks? Yeah. Well, 2 weeks, actually. I've only had it for 2 weeks. The first week was break even, last week was red, but it's okay. But yeah, I've only had this funded for 2 weeks. I know for some people that's a long time, I understand, but mine is more of a slow grind process. Might irritate some people, but it is what it is. Patience pays, right? It's all about patience. Waiting for your correct setup. Don't just hop into things like I did this morning. Like a chop. No, I'm so sorry. I break even. I'm so sorry, OTT. I'm so sorry. I saw that candle and I went, uh-oh. Oopsies. Literally, I saw it hit the 50% on ES and I thought of you and I was like, okay, let's see what happens. But to be fair, this is kind of a little bit of chop. It feels like it just pushed up with all that momentum and now it's died. Anyways, how's everyone doing? Has anyone else had whoop whoops? Anyone else trading this? Is anyone in a trade? What's happening, guys? Tell me. Indeed, patience, marathon, not a sprint. Exactly. And you know what? I also quite enjoy the marathon, not a sprint, because you have to train for a marathon as well. You can't just hop in and expect it to be a winning time or anything. You're not going to put any time or effort into a marathon. You're not going to make it. You're not going to make it. So I really like that. Back down was a solid rejection off of there, but that's about it. Okay, so solid rejection. Let's see if we go back up or not. It's gonna go for my TP. Okay, OTT. I'm gonna ask you this question again because you come at me with very serious questions and I respect you for it. So I'm gonna come at you with a very serious question and I want you to sit and I want you to properly think about it. Out of all the trades that went and hit break even just to go and hit full TP, how many actually would have hit TP and how many actually would have hit stop loss? Because is it not then worth it to then not go break even? And this is more of a question for you to think about. You don't have to answer me, but you know, if you go back on all your trades, all the ones that have hit break even recently, yeah, how many would have been full TP if you did not move to break even, and how many would have been stop losses? Are you losing out on profit because of going break even? Do you want to join the 1 minute OB, Lucas? What? Yeah. Hey, Dark Angel, what's up? How's it going? How's work? Missed the buy at the bottom. Only would have bought at the bottom because whenever I trade, I will expect a retracement. All staying safe in these conditions. Yeah, DJ. Okay, no, to be fair, I was dumb this morning, but I acknowledge my stupidity that was this morning. It is what it is. But yeah, haven't taken a trade for New York. It just ran away and now it's consolidating. So I'm hands off until we start to get some, well, something. Just something that's not sideways or straight up would be nice. I'm actually crying. I think I need to stop going break even. But just like look back on it, right? Where can I find your rules on SMC or entry and exit rules? Oh, options? So you specifically just want SMC. So I don't exclusively trade SMC like I don't just exclusively trade ICT. I use SMC and ICT confluences. Smart move to stay away for the moment. I'm waiting for a nice downward move if it takes anything. Otherwise, I'm okay to give this a session of pass. Yeah, no, 100%. Hello, buy. What, you keen on buys here? I'm about that. Was it? It wasn't okay. Maybe this could still be a buy. This could still potentially be a buy. I feel like this hesitation should say enough. If I'm going, This is what I had set up, but I didn't like it. I mean, this doesn't actually have anything. No, I do not like it. If I was just doing rain. No! Oh wait, it's because I did that. Yay! Okay, I clicked the wrong thing. Oh, okay, it's not like the end of the world. I could so easily find new weekly opening gap again, but that was a very random freak out for no reason. Carrying on. What's your take on how liquidity works? Was it liquidity taken before the buy earlier today? I mean, technically, yeah. This here came and took out these equal lows. or relative equal lows. This came, took out relative equal lows after spiking at the top. A little bit of a fake out and then a push. Like I said, I was actually bullish bias starting this day, and London was consolidating the whole time. Yeah. London was just consolidation, so... Like I said, it did theoretically come and take the sell side liquidity at these relative equal lows. Relative equal lows. Let's see, like I said, I didn't like this one. I wouldn't have taken this trade regardless. Ooh, but that's such a nice wick off of this bob level. A sell from there would have been quite nice. They closed the gap and burned all the shorts out. Sorry dude, I found trailing stop always gets exits, but without it and break even, only trades hit TP more. I agree with the trailing stop. I agree, have it and leave it alone. But right now with all the going on, break even is a smart play rather than take partial wins. I guess. Temporal, I can't remember if I asked you this morning. How long have you been trading for? I backtested that idea of break even versus full stop loss. Only conclusion I drew was it's discretionary. In high resistance... Wait, sorry, let's see. In high resistance conditions, I move to break even. In low resistance, I give it as much room to do its thing. Interesting, okay. Is now able to react in fair value gap. Like I said, I'm still not actually super keen on this one. Not so keen on the short either, so... Oh no. Bless me. Bless me. Beans on toast. Sorry. Okay. Whoop for Bean's been trading a while now. Ooh, okay, terrible. What do you mean a while? How long is a while? That was so cryptic. I've been here for a while. What does that mean? Whoop for Beans on toast, up 2%. What a good way to start the month. I am super proud of you. I think it's... What's up? How am I doing? I'm okay. I can't complain. Yeah. I am hands off right now. Nothing good here, NQ's not giving me anything. So, yeah. Albito, whoop whoop! Well done! That's amazing! Okay, I can't. I want to move closer to my screen, but I cannot move closer to my screen because my child is sleeping by the wheels. By my child, I mean my dog. Just before anyone gets confused. My dog is my child. He is my fur baby, and I love him to bits. But... Whoop whoop, Abito. Yep, 100%. Whoop whoop for anyone that's been winning in this. Just saying. Oh. Cheers, Doc Angel. Have fun. Trade safe in this. If you trade the PM session, good luck. Nice bob to bob short. Yep. I know. I was looking at this here and I was like, oh, look at it go. Oh well. It is what it is. Proper solid bob to bob short. I really just have to start trading bob to bob levels. This is getting ridiculous. Solly, have you taken another trade? Are you done for the day? What's the plan? What's the plan, Sam? Oh, I had such... Ooh. This is interesting. Is this just gonna chop between the bob levels? Nah. Yeah. So seriously gonna chop between the bob levels. I cannot believe it. I'm gonna start my first trading with only $10 on oil buy next week. I think are you just gonna go into a live account or what's your plan here? Who is Bob? Bob is one of the amazing community members. Bob and actually I think Dark Angel's got my day ones. They are my day ones. Mad love and respect for them. Bob was, so I can tell you for a fact, Bob was there to tell me that I had hit my 100th subscriber. Check if this rejection off of the level back up. Trying along here, back up to session high from 850. This was the first retest of the 50 EMA from this push up at open. Ooh, okay, Labadaba, nice, nice. Let's see. Would have still preferred a further retest down, but it is what it is. Okay. Yeah. I'm not upset for not taking this trade. Wasn't good for my setup. Bob got good levels, you have no idea. They actually sometimes infuriate me. But I guess like with every strategy, sometimes they work stupidly well. And other times they're not as respected as I would like them to be. But you know, the charts don't give a damn about what I like or what I don't like. Sorry, DJ was right here. Did you not see her? DJ just sent some messages now. Earned my $100 by selling garbage bags in school. I'm 18 and you know, everybody gotta have a dream. I love that. I think, and you're starting early. That's very important. But again, are you doing just live? Are you gonna get a prop account? Have you done paper trading? Got 100%. That was the 50%. Okay, so temporal with the 50%, do you just look for the 50%? No other confirmations or confluences or anything, you just go 50%, let's do this? Or yeah. Market rewards the patient and robs the impatient. Oh, I like that. Hey, new trader SK, what's up? Let me guess, are you a new trader? Though I can't speak, I feel like I'm still a newbie. I guess I am. I haven't even been trading for a year. I still learn things every single damn day. That's wild. I remember season 1 of TMC, where the main character is keeping the horizontal streamlet. Oh gosh. Alan Tunasia? Oh no, I butchered that. Is it Alan? What's up? Hi. Remember season 1 of TMT? That is hilarious. I think how long have I been? Literally 11 months. Bob to Bob. Anyways, seriously. And you could even see as this happened, I was like, Bob to Bob. Maybe I should just start marketing in for one contract when I start to see these reactions happening at these Bob levels, because this is actually getting insane. I've been trading for a longer time, but always on losing side. Options? Okay, how long have you been trading? And help me out a little bit with your journey. So like, what do you trade? How long have you been trading? What strategy do you trade? what are the difficulties you've faced, you know, things like that. Any tips for new traders? Oh damn, so many. Well, there's a lot of cliche things that I could say to you, but you just have to keep learning every single day and be open to learning. I think that's it. Try not to get stuck. Here I am saying, try not to get stuck. I try and improve where I can. I know some people do think I'm probably a little bit stuck. I'm trying to get better. But I feel like there's a checklist. Once you've gone through that checklist and you think you're ready, then get a prop firm for the mental side. But you got to get your checklist sorted first. Got to make sure you have a strategy that makes sense to you. Got to make sure you've paper traded it enough to know when to execute or when not to execute. I guess that's it, but yes and no. Get it? No, don't get it. Yeah. And then move on to props to get the mental side. The psychological side is the destroyer. Hey! W2F. There's a handle. How you doing? What entry point are we looking at for today? Well, I was keen on this retracement back down to this level. But apparently the markets were not. So that it is what it is. Six years of futures on a supply and demand concept. Okay, so 6 years, and what have you been doing? Do you trade live? Do you do evals? Yeah, what's your go-to? Open trade? Nah, no open trade, son. FOMO is a really big thing, and also don't rush. I like that. Yes, fear of missing out is definitely. And I rushed this morning. I ducked around and I found out. And that was on me. Like I said, this morning was oopsie. It's fine. Lesson learned, or lesson relearned maybe. Sometimes we forget. And the markets have to teach us again. Oh, damn, Suresh. Who made you so angry? The reason for us buying is because we had an 8-hour, then an hour later, 12-hour. To buy this accompanied with the fact that our oh, okay. Get a Bob to Bob account where you risk one contract, no stress, let it run. Try hard on this account, let Bob do the heavy lifting on the other account. I'm kind of keen for that. That kind of sounds cool. You know what makes me angry? This makes me angry. No, it shouldn't make me angry because it wasn't a good trade. It worked out, but was like a C setup, not even a B setup. Hasn't worked out yet, but anyways, working out beautifully Bob to Bob level. All I've heard about Bob is he's got the muscle. Hey, what are you doing? Oh gosh. I bought a month's supply of Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. I don't know how I'm going to financially recover. Okay, wait, I have questions. Like, why? Just... Bro, you gotta be lactose intolerant. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. That... Remember the time frame thing mentioned earlier? So those are the time frames you look at? But you specifically look at hours by the sounds of it, right? I'm sorry, OTT, yo, just close it. Don't let revenge trading take over. Taking TP1 here at 90 points. 980 TP2. Labba dabba. Whoop whoop. Here's for Labba dabba. Labba dabba deserves a whoop whoop. Well done. Amazing. Here we go. Whoop whoop for Labba dabba. Why don't you set limit orders? You can set multiple shots in the meantime. I mean, WTF, it's what I did earlier. I set a trade and went to check the higher time frames, and in the time that I was checking them, realizing that it was not a good trade, it had already tagged me in and then basically tagged me out. So, with regards to this one, I did actually have it set up. I checked the higher time frames. It was not good on the higher time frame, so that's why I didn't take it. Yeah. Now it would have been partial. Okay. How many time frames do you think are currently running in the market? Yeah, bro, that's a really difficult question because, like, all of them, right? All of them. I'm protein maxing right now, so I'm only buying high protein foods. Oh, interesting. Okay. Solly, you're gonna make my WTF lines just so much worse if you keep saying weird things like that. But for those of you that don't know, I have two WTF lines. It's this, and these. Can you tell? That's how you know I'm old. I got them WTF lines because of reading some of the weird stuff you just said. Seriously. Anyways, moving on. Sorry. That's all of him who label any order exactly. I'll try that. Oh my gosh, guys, please stop. Please. I don't need more wrinkles. I don't need more WTF lines in my life. I'm just saying, seriously. Anyways. Okay, but temporal, that then makes no sense. If they're all running all the time, then... Make it make sense, please. I don't know actually why I closed that. It's probably because... I don't think it's gonna come back to where I wanted to come back today, which... It's kind of made me sad, but it is what it is. Wait, actually, what does this look like on the 5-minute? Nope. Now it's officially closed, the new weekly opening gap. So gap is now officially closed. And an SMT created on NQ. This could start dumping soon. This could start dumping hardcore. Let's see. SMT has indeed been... Watch it go up just because I said that. Dragon, what's up? What are we trading? Long oil? Did you catch the Bitcoin spike just now? Well, I don't trade Bitcoin or oil, so I'm trading Nasdaq futures. How you doing? I used to say there isn't something on the 3-hour or the 6-hour or the 1-hour 30-minute as a confirmation for something. I'm just making it up. Okay, I hear you, Temporal, but then can't you get analysis paralysis by looking at too many time frames? Which one is then correct? Like, can't you put yourself into a little bit of a spiral doing that? Does that make sense? I've had those WTF lines since a kid. The world been throwing me since a child. I'm so sorry. And a lot of squinting in the surf. Do you need glasses? Solly, do you want to borrow mine? I got you. Ooh, Elantra. Anyways. Where's Wally? What's up? Does the charts control the news or the news control the charts? News controls the charts, Wally. The move is still the move, right? Yeah. Wait, no, wait, what? Temporal? No, okay, you've lost me. You had me for like a minute there. Get it on the lower time frame. You've lost me. Well, okay, in my opinion, I would say that the news controls the charts. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you know, there's a reason why we wait for news to hit. There's a reason why we wait to see what's going on. So I would definitely say the news controls the charts. Polishing up my band. Yeah, it's been a minute, Bob. Hey, you haven't used that bad boy in a while. I don't know why I wanted to make a whip noise. I kind of wanted to go whoop, but that is not what that noise is used for. But anyways. You don't like this, don't like this. I'm trying to find... There won't be anything in this price action, that's the problem. I want to find that good example of what I was talking about earlier with regards to the doji and the retracement back into where it's a bull doji, bull engulfing. We're pretty solid for a quick retracement back and then a bullish move. But I haven't gotten that opportunity today. I mean, theoretically, it's not really a great doji though. Maybe on the 5 minute it looks better. Oh, there we go. Oh, that being said, it didn't come retrace or retest back into this damn level. But doji engulfing, the problem is that's just an engulfing. That's not, no, actually, I can't call that an engulfing. That's a WTF. No, that's a FU candle. Sorry, not a WTF. Well, depending. Either way, you're kind of there going, what? Okay, now we solidly, like I said, SMT. I think sells are starting to be in. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Perry's just snoring away. I love you to bits and pieces, you little stinker. Just kidding, he's not stinker. Well, he can be, I guess. There's still a 50% retracement. SMT formed here. Let's see. I'm getting overly excited. Everyone calm down. By everyone, I just mean myself. 1, 2, I will need confirmation. Ew. Back into bub level, then back down. How's it looking there? Struggling to break above. I think the shorts are coming to party. No, that's leaving without me. Why am I not invited to the party? That's mean. I'm cool. Don't be so sour. Oh, don't be so sure. Sour. I was like, sour. I'm sweet. No, I'm kidding. I'm really not. Don't be so sure. Okay, where's Wally? I have questions then. Wait, am I tracking my protein? No, I'm tracking my caffeine, if that counts. I've only had 2 cups. Well, 1.5 cups today. Oh, no. I missed it. Well, that being said, let's see if it's a good or bad thing that I missed it. Back into that level. Oh, the urge. Sorry, that was... Sorry. I'm doing this specifically because that was some FOMO that nearly kicked in there. Ooh, I nearly hit... When I start messing with that damn mark it in button, then I know that I need to literally cross my arms. Take a little bit of a step back. Probably for good reason. Here we go. 3, Didn't quite close nicely there. Want to see it go back down more. NQ is heavily influenced by the news. Thank you. Probably where it's really difficult to explain. Thoughts have been dormant for, but basically all time frames run. The differences, biases between them result in actual move bound to that moment in. Okay, so if you look at the time 10:35 to 10:45, there's a candle dipping the white one with the long wick. That's an order block. Yeah. Wait. Okay, WTF? I will read that again now. Give me a second. Sitting here with you in the past 2 hours, I took 8 trades on your profits, all totaling for. Damn! Pillow, what? Also, Pillow, what time frame do you trade on? No, literally, Bob, that's... Hence why I just wanted to press that damn sell button. Oh, that is so mean, Solly. What did I ever do to you? That's so mean. Confirmation, my trade is stress free at TV. Okay, I'm done with trading. Can focus on my stream now. OTT, what do you mean you're done with? I thought you were done earlier. Hey Opal, what's up? How you doing? 1 minute. Nice. OTT win. Sun open trade. No, not an open trade. Woo! I would still be in this thing. Don't know how, by the skin of my damn teeth, but I would still be in it. And potentially out of it. Let's see. Struggling to break above. But now we have created a volume imbalance here. Come on, you want a good rejection. Don't diddle in the middle, don't diddle in the middle, don't diddle in the middle. Thursday will just work the first hour at the New York Open. Only? Really? Okay. So 10:35 to 10:45. Let's check the 10:35. Okay. To 10:45. Okay, wait, let me read this again. WTF, let's do this. There's a candle dipping the white one with the long wick. Yeah, this one. You're talking about this order block? Got it. Didn't quite tap into it though. If this works out, I'm kind of going to laugh. Let's see though, just tapped into that volume imbalance. Oh, this is gonna work. Ah, it would have missed me by a damn tick, but it's okay. Discipline, nice. Okay, OTT, nice. Heyo! Aw, thank you, I appreciate it. No, OTT. Discipline, discipline, discipline. Ugh. Actually, just can't believe this. Wouldn't have taken me out. Don't know how, but it actually wouldn't have taken me out. That's kind of impressive. Decent rejection off of that volume imbalance, but I think it's just a rejection off of it. I don't think it's gonna go much higher. Yeah, you'd want to see a bigger rejection off of it. I'm not gonna take it because this is just diddling in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. It's not worth it. It's fine. Clean M&Q. It's really nice to trade. Maybe for your setup, it's not nice for me. Are you sure you're okay with selling it against overall trend? Yeah. To be fair, this is kind of Mojo Jojoing. If you know what Mojo Jojo is, yeah. But let's see. Patient discipline is amazing. If you could just find a strategy that sets up more often, you'll be a billionaire. Oh, love it up. I appreciate it. Maybe I do. Maybe I need to. Yeah. Need to go and have a good long sit down and give myself a talking to. Hey Thomas, what's up? Long time no see. How you doing? What time is it? What, like time for me right now? It's 11, if that's what you're asking. For EST, it's 6:03 p.m. for me in South Africa. WTF? No, okay, so the Mojo Jojo is a bit of a joke. I mean, sometimes it actually works pretty well, but it's a joke. It's not, it's kind of like two paths converge in the wood when I take the one least travel. No, sorry, that's just a poem. Mojo Jojo is a joke, literally, that we came up with. Essentially, it's, you kind of outline the coiling, if you will. So here this would look. There we go. Like so, and whichever direction it's going to break up out of, so up here, whichever direction it's going to break out of, it's the direction it's going to go. It is not a thing. Okay, it's not a thing, please. It's not financial advice, it's not a strategy, it's nothing. I just call it the Mojo Jojo because in Powerpuff Girls, you know, sugar, spice, everything nice, and then you accidentally put substance X or whatever it's called, and obviously this makes an X. So someone jokingly said it's like the Mojo Jojo trade, and it's just kind of stuff. Moby, what's up? Been building scripts for looking at me. Just try scripted trading view. Oh, go on then. Why not? Yeah, give yourself a good talking to. I need to, Bob. I need to sit myself down and be like, what is wrong with you? Ooh. Sorry. Remember I was talking about the doji and engulfing. Let's see here. You still do it at the bottom. Do you? I didn't quite work that one out 100%. No, it would have been the bottom of the previous, yeah. Oh, it wouldn't have tagged in, damn. Oh, okay, it's running away now. See, Mojo Jojo, broke above, we're good to go. Again, it's not a real strategy. Please don't come at me. I'm not saying trade this way. Symmetrical triangle pattern, exactly. I was trading too tightly because my TP was hit after stopping me out. No, Thomas, I'm so sorry. Mayday for me, I got stopped out twice. Ended with 1 hour 600. Oh. Oh, but Thomas, that's okay. I'm sorry. Actual pattern. No, that's okay. Don't worry, WTF. Yeah, like I said, I don't actually use them either. 745, here we come. Yeah, thanks so. Yeah. Hey, Bless, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. No, Muslim, I haven't. No. These conditions don't work for me, and I kind of want to cry right now, but it's fine. Just kidding, I'm not gonna cry. I am drunk old woman. I don't cry. This Mojo Jojo is really correct. Does it not always? I have had it before where it broke below and then would come back up and retail. Yeah, but I guess with any strategy, right? It's never 100%. So maybe I should just start actually trading and be like, ah, it broke above. Let's get in on this. Justice for Maya. No one says sorry to her.
Thank you.
Old is correct. Okay.
Emotional damage.
Thanks for script school. DSMS. Delta Surge Matrix Station. Okay, setting my 150 point stop loss. Go on then. I guess we should have just bought and closed earlier. Probably. Hey, we should have just been like, it's fine. No stop loss. Screw it. Let's just fatum fluffy. See what happens. At this point. See, what did I say? Bullish doji. Bullish engulfing. Just freaking runs. Specifically on NQ, which I think is interesting. Damn, Mojo Jojo, calm down, bro. Look at you. That was a lot of energy you got going on right now. And up, and away we go. When you trade, if you don't admit you're wrong, you're part of the 90% of people who fail, so I don't mind saying sorry. No, exactly. Been saying up and away since your earliest stream. Ah, no, times change, be the change. I'm red. I took a silly goose trade earlier. It's fine. Lesson learned. Well, lesson relearned. Like I said, it was very silly. I shouldn't have taken that trade that I took earlier today. It is what it is. Oh, if the entry was higher up, this would actually be worse. This like that on the 5 minute. Am I hopping in onto the charts a little bit too late now? Maybe. Decent pop back in there. Like I said, if entry was a little bit higher, this would actually be a little bit better. It's those New York highs and equal highs. Okie dokie. We have now just broken into this level. That's fun. This could still work further down on the 15. Two, 5, 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7, damn! How many times do I trade on a daily basis? Well, I'm live twice a day, but trades taken depends on the day. I've only taken one today. Yep. has broken above. We just have to make sure this is not a fake out. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, but it's okay, right? It happens. It happens. Things happen. Oh, sure. WTF. So the bad trade was literally here. Literally at the low. I mean, technically it would have hit TP if I had used the bigger range. It's fine. If I'd used the full range, but again, you know, woulda, shoulda, coulda is very easy to say in the long run. If I'd done full range, this thing would have worked out like a BUT. Well, at least a partial. Wouldn't have been full TP, but it would have been a partial break even. But woulda, shoulda, coulda is a pain in the butt. I jumped in. You know when you actually don't even know what you're thinking? Like looking back at this, I was just like, you know, there's order block, fair value gap, bob level, but I didn't get any confirmations from the higher time frame. Basically, I just didn't get any other confirmations. I just very quickly jumped into this, and that's my bad. So this is the trade that happened there. Then it just shot up and then actually came back down, which was frustrating, but it is what it is. Uh-oh, just boys, how are we doing in here? Hey, Jordy, you still haven't taken a trade, which is not a bad thing, right? It's just frustrating. It is what it is. If she takes 2 levels, let it out. I listen. Anyone else here trade Apex and having issues? Been waiting on payout approval for 10 days now. What? Labadaba, that's not okay. Who here uses Apex? All the time frames. Yeah, who here uses Apex? Made to trade? What happened? I don't know what happened, sorry. I had no control over anything. I am innocent! I'm innocent, I'm just here. Kimlol, not a fan of Apex. Interesting. Anyone else? Sorry, we don't have Apex in SA, so nobody warned you about this phase. Finally trading and funded. It's... Yeah, it is, Geordie. No, so many people warned, but again, you know, it's a little bit like telling a teenager not to do something because they're gonna regret it. They kind of have to experience it to be like, oh, they weren't lying. But it is frustrating, Geordie. It's so frustrating. But I'm trying really hard. I'm trying so hard to be patient, especially with the current price action that's kind of a little bit all over the place. It's driving me crazy. That being said, with this, no, this wasn't great. It would have been decent on ES, but it's not. Over here, like looking at here, the 5-minute I didn't hate. It's okay. See, I don't hate it on the 5-minute. The 50-minute does not look great though. But one, two. It's gonna take out a little bit there, and I do have the shelf. I don't love the order block, but on the 5-minute, it is pretty solid. Part of me almost wants to take this, but mitigate risk, especially with the frustrations happening. I feel like it's jumping too quickly down. That being said, that's pretty good. Oh, got it. Now I see they make you write paragraphs and record your trades to prove yourself sometimes. What? Mojo Jojo. No, Mojo Jojo already Mojo Jojo. It shut off. Mojo Jojo was good. It did what it had to do. Damn, Sully. There we go. It's either a W pattern or an M. Well, that doesn't help now, does it? Mr. No New Wars is currently speaking. Let's see what happens. Oh, if someone's currently speaking. Yep. Hey Kevin, what's up? I'm from South Africa. How's trading going? It's okay. It's okay. I'm at that really frustrating phase right now. Let's call it a frustrating phase. I'm fine with calling it a frustrating phase because it's not a fun phase. It's about to hit into the 50% on ES as well. If it hits the 50% on ES, it's pretty solid. Might come too far down and tap. It might just wick me out. The better one would actually be down there because then you have a very strong order block protecting. Sorry, talking to myself. I trade daily contracts. This market is get in and out with your money. Uncertainty is real. Huh, made to trade. I hear that. You know when you kind of just want to be like WTF because now it looks like it's working out quite well. At what time? Wait, what? I feel like I missed that. What? At 11:10ish. This one, eh? Are you talking about this? You've got me confused now. Like picked. Oh no, temporal. Don't worry. I know the W and the M formation. I don't like them. For that reason that it could be either or. Hey, Legs, that's to ND. How you doing? Aloha. Target high of day on NQ longs. Sorry, I'm giggling at that. Oof. Checking what it does on ES. If it starts going back up, buys actually could be in play. So like I said, it is why I moved to the next, because this order block is pretty decent. This actually is the better entry. But that being said, we are now back in this range. Times change, be the change. I've been trading for 11 months. What's up? How's it going? A bit of a volume imbalance here. Let's see. That candle as soon as I said that. In the W, the first B is the move. Second is the 50%. Okay, Temple, you're gonna have to send me screenshots. That now lost me. Yeah, that lost me. Hey, Kevin, no, this is the 1 minute, actually. I want to see how it reacts off of here. Sorry, I'm kind of sitting here thinking to myself. Sometimes when I close my eyes, I see charts. Is that normal? Yeah, wait until you have dreams about them as well. Dreams about having whoops or losses or whatever the case may be. That happens pretty often. I want to see bear shift. I caught a small run on MES this morning. Hey, Kevin July, that's awesome. How long have you been trading for? I'm not gonna lie. I don't think a setup is gonna form for me. That being said, looking at this, I'm like, oh, maybe. Nope, that wouldn't have even tagged me in. Again, I'm still watching what ES does here. Worst feeling is when you hit TP in your dreams and wake up to a loss. No, Kemlol, that right there. You know what? That deserves this.
Emotional
100%.
damage.
100%, that is well deserved. If this freaking works out. Anyways, guys, we are 6 subscribers away from 14.4. 14.4k. Idea is right in my opinion. Temper what for the buy side? When you look at Table Mountain, you see a market structure. Temporal. That is funny. That is pretty hilarious. Anyways, are you only using volume profile? No, this is not volume profile. This is market auction theory mixed with ranges and there's a lot that's going on here right now. But market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Technically, these are volume profiles. Okay, I will subscribe. Thank you. Gosh. Just the entry for Naz can be tricky. Naz is such a diva. Such a diva. Waking up to loss or trying to sleep on an open position is the very reason I don't swing trade. Solly, I agree with you, because everyone says technically investing should be less stressful and I absolutely hate the idea of keeping something open and having no control or no clue about what's happening. I do not like it. I would much rather either be taken out of my misery quickly or super happy quickly, you know. Everyone listen to Think Your Problem by Midnight and call it a day. I kind of want to listen to it now. Is it good? I'm gonna copy paste that because now I genuinely want to listen to that song. Thanks, Bob. Bye. You could do game streaming too if you play video games. I mean, I do, but I don't know. Mondays aren't always the best days to trade. Sometimes I feel like it makes its move and it's slow after that. Times change, you know what? I've had so many people say that they don't like Mondays and they don't like Fridays. Like Mondays, I've had some great Mondays, and I do agree. I've had some Mondays where I want to kind of bash my head against a wall. But for me, I feel like it varies day by day. I know some people are very adamant and they refuse to trade Mondays and Fridays. Like they just pure refuse. And that's fine because it works for them, right? If it works for you, you do you. I am such a strong believer about that. If you have an opinion about something and it makes you happy, you do you, Buttercup. I'm not here to interrupt anything. If you are happy, then I'm happy for you. Yes, I just said you do you, Buttercup. I'm sorry. Maybe that sounded very judgy. So that did not work out. That would have been a loss, so I've made the most money on trades from swing trades. It's harder to swing trade with futures. Oh, I'm actually not sure. Isn't it easier to look at the overall trend on the daily time frame if price is looking bullish or bearish than stick to looking for one of those setups on smaller time frames? Yeah. When I started this, I did a top to bottom analysis and I actually said I was very keen on bulls, which I did. The bulls just wee, right? Which is why I was looking for bulls here. And now it's, ooh, do we think it's dropping down to the 50% finally? No ways. Like, for the life of me, I don't think I'd be able to take this, and this might take the whole night for it to come back up to get TP. I'm gonna leave this up because I'm kind of curious. Oh, look at us dropping down, down, down. There's nothing like being in 5 days worth of profit on NAS. See, I don't know. I don't think I have the patience for that. It's going to... Hey, Jab's back. I just don't like losing days wherever they fall. Bob, me and you. There's a reason we got a connection. Why do you think I keep hitting you up in your DMs? I don't just about the days to me. Anything goes. Temporal, thank you. I agree with you. 745, here we come. Why have you been so keen on 745?
What's that, Bean? What's that?
Oh, back down. All the way back down to this one. Look at that rejection. Up to... Can I help you, sir? Really? You already hit, sweeties. I think we have put in the high of the day on NQ. Hold off to 4 p.m. closes. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Someone buy the market moves. Like, endured. Jab, where did you just pop up from? You just like popped up from nowhere. Anyways, what's up, Jab? How you doing? Welcome back. Okay. Are you gonna say hi to people? Okay. Shorted 955 on paper count, TP 790. Nice. It filled the NWOG and the... Did you mean org or am I... Oh, is org a thing that I have never heard about? I know it filled the NWOG, you are correct. It properly filled the NWOG now, so a bit of a rejection. Hiccups, I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're such a good boy. Come say hi to everybody. Say hi.
What's the org? Indeed, ew. Did you see his spit? That was nasty, Bean. I love you, buddy. Ew, disgusting. Opening range gap. Oh. I mean, but... Isn't... On a Monday, isn't that just the new weekly opening gap? Ah, how close. But... Isn't the org just the new weekly opening gap? Sorry, now I'm confused. My fur baby sleep on my feet while I trade too. Yeah, he sleeps under my wheels, making sure I cannot move. So theoretically, none of these have retraced back to 50%. So this is the 50% retracement for shorts. Freaking Bob to Bob. Org, opening range. Org. Okay, well, sorry. I clicked a button. Don't click buttons. Okay, let me make a note. Oh, my notebook is freaking me out. Oh, many things. Makes me want to vomit, but it's okay. Let's carry on. Vraag wat die moet zal jullie doen? Hoe kom? Your friend... No? No? Well... IRL friends, I guess. Like physical human beings that I can see in chat are not traders, no. Look at bottom right of your screen where it says New York time. Wait, I'm being blunt. What? Oh, yeah? What about it? What just happened? What just happened? What did I just do? Oh, bless, I don't mind you asking. I'm currently with Top 1 Futures. Yeah, I'm currently funded with Top 1 Futures. Kevin, 5 years and lost a lot of money to answer your question. And what's changed now, Kevin? What if we're not real? What have I been trading then? What the heck, man? I feel cheated. I feel like a chop. I've been using wrong things. No wonder everyone's always been confused. I'm like, I'm confused too. What the heck? Meh. Okay, oh, sugar honey iced tea. What in the hey diddly day? Okie dokie then. Damn, then this NWOG is bigger than I thought it was. Okay. Oh, click it back, that's just for backtesting. See, now I'm confused. You wanted ETH when trading. Okay. Deb, what? Are you speaking? Okay, Deb, my bad. Okay, sorry, Solly. Damn, Solly's yelling at me. I should be used to it by now. Solly's always yelling at me. Oh, shut. Solly, who hurt you? Apart from me, apparently, all the time. Okay, but what's the point of that? I don't understand. Moving on. It's using RTH cap from 26. Got it. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, okay. Interesting. See, you learn something new every day because I did not know this was a thing. What the heck? Literally something new every day. Let's see now, back into this 50%. Let's see if this starts to go down. Oh, look at the time. Guys, you've been teaching me such good lessons that now I've lost track of time. Yes, I trade Nasdaq. The micros to be specific, all the time. Oh, come on guys, 2 subscribers the way, 2 subs! RTH just to mark out the gap, then back to ETH. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so I would need an org gap and a new weekly opening gap, and that's basically in a similar area. Do I mark the org every day? Or interesting. Okay. Gosh, guys, see, trading is wild. Like I said, just when you think you're starting to get the hang of it, it goes, haha, nope. Try again. Yep, you need both. Interesting. Nice, Pillow. To be fair, Pillow, I'm agreeing with you because this is frustrating me. And I've now learned that. It still has not reached the 50% just, by the way. Good boy. What? Do I have to go get dinner? Is that what's happening? Want me to go get dinner? Oh no! Oh no! Come.
People want to say hi. Look, there's a Peruvian nose. There's a periwinkle nose. Oh, they can't see you.
Good boy. Oh, I wanted to zoom in for you guys to see him properly. I'm so upset that you guys can't see him. He's resting. You can kind of see him here. He's literally resting his head on my desk like this. Bro, you've had so many sweets today. You've eaten my horse's sweets today. You cannot have more sweeties. My mind getting tired. I need to take a rest. Yeah, Jab. Check out going up now. Anyways. Dog 4:59 closed to 6 p.m. open. Okay. It's 4:30 p.m. closed to 9:30 a.m. open. Thank you. I appreciate you, Solly. I don't say that enough, but I do. Even though you're mean to me. You still teach me a lot. How many setups did you manage to catch today? 1! And it was a loss. Yeah, today was not a great day for my setup. To be fair, I knew that when it started chopping, I should have waited. There were other trades that I didn't take that actually would have been not full TPs, actually. No, not full TPs. They would have been partials break even. Damn, today was not a good day for my strategy. And that's okay. Not every day is going to be amazing. That's a wrap. Let's go. No, I agree. Look at... None. I'm done. I'm quite... Oh, guys, come on. 1 sub away. No! Watch, because I said that someone's gonna unsubscribe. That'd be 2 subs away. Anyways, I just... Oh, it bugs me when it's not on an even number. Oh, the OCD. Oh, no. Oh, the OCD is kicking in. It's fine. It's fine. I'm just going to ignore it. Just gonna keep staring at it. Someone stop! Thank you, Temporal, tell them! Trading is just like a fishing rod. You need to worm to catch a big fish. Jab, what? Yeah, see, someone answer. It's okay, it's better. At least it's even now. I actually prefer that. I prefer 398 to 399. Woo, okay. Literally, I prefer 398 to 399. Now I can move on. I know that's a very weird thing to say, but anyways. I'ma call it. You guys were amazing. This price action sucks, but we continue. I will be back tomorrow. New York. And whatchamacallit? London. Okay, clearly that's showing that it's time for me to go. I will be back live. London session open and New York session open. Be there or be square. Just kidding. I love you guys madly. Thank you again for joining as usual. Don't forget to press that like button. If you guys do use props and you want to support or whatever, you can use my code TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. And there is a Discord. If you are new and you want to join the community, you are more than welcome to. We are a loving community. Be loving or get kicked out. That was very mean, but it's true. If you're not there to be supportive, then you're not then it's not a community member that we want. We are here to support one another. We want to see everyone succeed. Clean those nails. No, I can't. I was just at the horse's bob down. Oh, judgy. I'll show you what I'll... Anyway, moving on. Okay, Bob, you... Okay, that was it. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.